the video. Or Penny.
You go forward, because you're little. You go next, okay? You go next. 1, 2, move back. 3. Woo! Penelope. All right, Dylan. Hey, can you that?
You're up, Dylan.
Okay, your turn. Come here.
Penny.
Me. Oh, I love that. No, you have to go backwards. Can you hold
Penny,
on?
come here.
Okay,
He doesn't cooperate that well, huh?
1, 2, 3. Yay! Is it just too much, Penny?
Penny, no hands.
My stomach hurts. I can't do it anymore. Penny's turn.
This may be a trick Daddy needs to learn, huh?
Oh, Daddy needs to learn?
Okay.
Pamela, you could probably do one on each leg.
2, 3. Yay!
Ugh. Ugh. How was that?
Oh, it's a very easy trick. It's not that hard.
Yeah,
Oh.
And go.
Well, after I did it 18,000 times.
You're probably a little dizzy.